guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the fitting of the rear badges, so let's go. Right guys, so we are going to start the part 2. So with new badges, we're about to put these on the car. So I'm just going to show you those now. So here we go. This is the new ST badge. It's not coming out very well, but here we go. Wow, now check that out. So this is now going to go on the car. We've got it prepped. We've got removed the ST old residue. That is absolutely beautiful. So we're now going to get that on the car. Wow, that's going to look stunning. And then we are going to replace the Focus with another badge. So I'm just going to do that now. Have that ready. Right, so we've got the ST. And we're going with the word turbo on the back, and we've got a little template here, and then we've got, look at these, wow, look how stunning these are. Let me just, wow. They are going to look absolutely sick. Wow, check out these. Whoa, they are stunning. Right, so we want to get these on the car. Now, as I say, there is a template here that I could basically follow and utilize. So we're going to stick this on the car as like this to give us a really nice straight sign. So that's going to go on the back of the car. We've got the prep work done for the ST. We've got the masking tape as to where it is. There's a little bit of tiny residue left. I'm just going to see if I can get that off. This stuff is ridiculous to get off. On the other side, on the Focus, we haven't quite finished that yet. I'll show you that now. We've still got a lot of residue on here, although I'm going to try and attempt to get that off now and try and get these fitted. Well, this is going to look sweet, man. Yeah, I'm really excited. In fact, let's go and hold that up. So we're going to put it somewhere like there. Yeah, that's going to look sick. Right, so let's crack on. Right, so we're in a position now to get this onto the car. I have removed the 2 strips. The reason was it is slightly bigger than the original ST badging, so I'm going to position it. I've left the top one to make sure I can line it up correctly. I'm just going to position it about central, which is where the 2 tapes were. I can see the marks here and here where I had it, so as long as I sort of centralize that, we should be in a good position. So we're gonna fit this now. Yeah, get this on the car. So I might just warm it up a little bit, just warm up the back end a little bit, as it is quite cold today. So let's get this done. Right, everyone, the ST badge is on. And it looks sick. Really, really nice. These will be in the web store soon to order, but let's get the tape removed so we can have a look at how that looks, and then we can see if we can get the other side done. But that looks wicked. yeah, really happy with that. Right everyone, sorry to sort of cut this video. Unfortunately, the weather has taken a turn. We ran out of time on the back of the ST, and so I had to sort of leave doing the turbo badge, which I planned to do today, but as you can see maybe by the back window, it's absolutely chucking it down now. It wasn't too bad when I started this. I cleaned the car and then it's just chucked it down. So I don't want to make this like an EastEnders episode, but unfortunately part 2 is now turning into what is going to be part 3 at some point. So I wanted to put the content up because I was dying to show you guys what I was doing, and so yeah, I'm really frustrated that yesterday was good weather but I just didn't have time to do it, and today I had a whole day worth of stuff to do, which was going to be really exciting, new content, and it's all failed. It's chucking it down and I can't do a single thing. So look, I'm going to leave the video here and you will see me complete that very shortly, but I do have something I can do indoors, so I'm going to go and head back now and get that done so I can also put that up online for you. So if you are passing through, remember to hit the subscribe button. It would appear that a lot of you watch the videos but you pass through and you don't subscribe, so I'd really appreciate it if you could just hit the subscribe button. That would really help, and also hit the bell icon as well, just to keep up to date with some videos. And look, I'll catch you guys on the next one.